Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. The question of today is how to replace regular expression in buffers in Emacs Lisp. To do that, we can use the function replace regexp that we've already used in the previous video, and we pass it a foo, which is a regular expression we want to replace by the triple x's. So if we evaluate that from the point till the end of the buffer, we replace foo by triple x's. So this is one way to do it, but as pointed out by Joshua, this is not the recommended way by the Emacs Lisp documentation. So we can see here, this is usually the wrong thing to use in Lisp programs. So let's see the better way to do it in this program. So we are going to loop on the search forward on the matches of foo. So each time we search for foo in the buffer, each time we match a foo, we are going to do something, and when we no longer have a match, we stop the loop. So we want to do that till the end of the buffer, so we put nil as boundary, and we put true as a third argument because we don't want when the search failed to raise an error, but to return nil, such that we can go out of the loop. What do we do with each match? Okay, so what we do, we replace the match data with the triple x's on the function replace match that we've seen in the previous video, if you want to know more about that one. But let's run that, evaluate that expression and see everything working as we expect. See you in the next video, and I really hope that this is useful.